guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I will teach you how we're going to detect eye using a Python code and a train or cascade eye. On the last video, we have shown you how we're going to detect faces. So this is the last codes that we have done in our last video. So we import this R cascade trainer, okay, which we download here in our GitHub. Okay, so we have here the default one. Okay, this is what we have download, and on this video we're going to use to how we're going to teach how we're going to detect IOSO. So we download here the XML train that we're going to use to detect I here in the GitHub, and then let's edit some codes here in our Python code. So how are we going to detect our I? So we're just going to import here the eye trainers, for example, call eye trainer XML, and then let's do the code. So I detect is equal to cv2 dot cascade classifier R cascade, almost the same if you are using the what do you call this one, the R cascade for frontal face and eye. If you are doing a code in C sharp, they are almost the same. And here, before display image in the window while capturing, inside of our for loop, let's include the what do you call usually eye detect. So detect eyes. So just going to type here detect eyes. Okay, so eyes is equal to the name of our classifier I detect dot detect multi scale, the multi-scale, and an open parenthesis. So let's call the RGB gray. So that is almost the same if you are using in our C sharp once again. Okay, we need to convert first using grayscale. Okay, so and then let's draw also the what we call this one. Draw rectangle if eyes is detected. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Almost the same with this code. Okay, putting rectangle if faces are detected. So for excuse me, x ey ew. So we start with e so that we could identify its variable for I in eyes. Okay, cv2 dot rectangle. Oops, wrong spelling. cv2 dot rectangle, the RGB color, comma, and then an open and close parenthesis, the x and y axis, okay, comma, and then we have also ex plus ew separated by comma, and then ey, or that is the lower vertical quadrant, plus for its height separated by comma, and then let's set the color for I. So I'm going to type here 224 253, so you can play around with your RGB color from 0 to 255 224253, and I'm going to use also the blue color as 55. Okay, I'm going to separate close parentheses, comma, and then of course the thickness of the rectangle, so I'm just going to specify the 1. Okay, that's it. And then we're going to save, file, save. It's a simple edit for our program last video. And then we're going to run. Click run module. And then here we go. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's a simple code. Now we're going to detect eyes. Okay, the last video detect face, now to detect our eyes. So thank you for watching. Okay, see you in our next video.